Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2 of the Grade Teachers Marathon. My name is Chris, and I'm a teacher trainer here at Grade Education Centre. And today we're going to be talking about drilling activities that we can use with our young learners and teenagers in the classroom. A drill is a short, usually teacher-led activity where the teacher says a word, phrase, or sentence, and the learners repeat after them, usually to improve their pronunciation. In the days of online teaching, it's often thought that drilling doesn't have a place in the classroom because we can't hear all of the students. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, drilling is useful for learners at all ages and all levels. A good drill has 3 stages: modeling, highlighting, and making the learners repeat. During the modeling stage, our job is to say the word or sentence naturally and clearly. This means we don't say it very slowly or break apart the words, but rather we make sure the class is quiet and we repeat it 2 to 3 times in a natural way. For example, I've been to Paris. I've been to Paris. From this stage, we can highlight, where we elicit the important features of pronunciation from the students based on what we've shown them. For example, I have been to Paris. I've been to Paris. Listen here. Do you hear one word or two? I've been to Paris. What does have sound like? Questions like this make our learners more aware of what they're actually saying. Finally, after this, we model one more time and then signal for the learners to repeat. It's important that after the students have started repeating, the teacher is quiet unless they are nominating a student or correcting a mistake. With young learners, we may need to make the task more interesting in order to keep them engaged into the lesson. One way we can do this is by recycling the adjectives that they know to describe emotions or other things. For example, we can use the pictures here and show the learners or tell them the adjective we want them to use. For example, I've been to Paris. Slowly. I've been to Paris. Loudly. I've been to Paris. Another way we can use drills with young learners is in chants, which are often found in YL course books. For example, a school choir sings a chorus about a duck and a chicken. So how do we work with these? First, we need to make sure that learners understand all of the words. If they don't know what a choir or a chorus are, then this won't be very helpful. Then, the learners listen to the chant once. After this, we might ask the learners to listen again to the chant and clap the rhythm in order to help them understand it. After this, we drill the sentence starting from the end. For example, a chicken. A duck and a chicken. A chorus about a duck and a chicken. A school choir sings a chorus about a duck and a chicken. Finally, after drilling, we might play the recording again and let the learners follow along quietly before asking them to join in and repeat with the recording. For slightly older learners, like our teenagers, they may not be quite so interested in chants, but don't worry, we've got another way to spice up our drilling for them. We might use reformulation for this, also sometimes called transformation drills or substitution drills, where we ask learners to repeat the sentence, but we change one part of it every time. For example, I've been to Paris. Berlin. I've been to Berlin. London. I've been to London. Or, another way, I've been to Paris. Negative. I haven't been to Paris. Question. Have you been to Paris? As well, a question-answer drill can also be used. And you can invite the learners to give true answers to include a little bit more communication into the classroom. For example, have you ever been to Paris? No, I haven't. Have you ever been to London? Yes, I have. After a few repetitions, you could even set this as a task for the learners to do in pairs or in groups. So that's it. Don't forget to complete your task today, and we hope to see you soon at one of our teacher training programs at Grade.